What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gym validated, and we're gonna do a fun one today. Starting a new little segment that I'm calling the Sound. That's it? Is that too loud? As I get my hands on different monitors, I'm gonna give you a sense of what they may sound like, give you an idea of what they sound like in my room. Obviously, it's an imperfect demonstration, but it'll kind of put you on the road and give you an idea of what you may be looking for. So today we're having a bit of a shootout. The Krk Go Aux 3, the Kali Audio LP-6s, and the Eve Audio SC307s.
All right, longer. Let's do it.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So, without further ado.
There's something in the air. All the stars are twinkling in tempo. The moon is ours to share, singing to us softly like an echo. Now let's let go of all that brought us slow. The shadows dancing slow, and so are we. The energy's on beat. It's clear that you and me are vibing on the right frequency. Don't be shy, go on and feel the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. Let your heartbeat sing up with the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. And it goes like your pulse, my pulse popping, your beat, my beat jumping. Know it's something you can't find. Don't be shy, go on and feel the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. And it goes like rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. And it goes like stop for a minute, let me catch my breath. Sweat dripping on my big old mess. Put my hips to the test when I dance like this. But I miss seeing breasts when you blessed with the best. All night rocking with you. Rolling like a train, baby, true. Hot like I'm cinnamon, drop like a Benjamin. Bounce, check, by my loving. No worries, we ain't gotta hurry till the AM. Nobody's gonna tell our bodies how to dance. Hold me, baby, eye to eye. Feel me swing side to side. Got me feeling so alive. Don't be shy, go on and feel the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. Let your heartbeat sing up with the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. And it goes like your pulse, my pulse popping, your beat, my beat jumping. Know it's something you can't find. Don't be shy, go on and feel the rhythm of the night. Rhythm of the night. And it goes like the energy's amazing as you pull me close. So hypnotic, I can't break the spell. Your arms are feeling like a haven, so baby don't let go. It's baby blood just like a carousel. I wanna keep the flow with you. Stay up till dawn, just go with the rhythm of the night. The rhythm of the night. The sky is still starlit with stars, so let's not think and go with the rhythm of the night. Don't be shy and feel the rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on videos like this. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.